Day 2. Today we learn family. Our first word is Āiga. Āiga means family. Āiga. Repeat after me. Āiga. Āiga. You said the word. Very good. Our next word is Tina. Tina means mom or mother. Tina. Repeat after me. Tina. Tina. You said the word. Very good. Our last word for today is Tama. Tama means dad or father. Tama. Repeat after me. Tama. Tama. You said the word. Very